Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, you can download it from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, an organization has a custom assignments entity that guides agent actions. Team leaders for each assignment group must be able to review any changes made to assignment data by their agents. You have the following JSON segment. Please have a look at the segment. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. Please have a look. Now look for the correct answer. The answer for the statement, you can use the JSON segment to retrieve a list of changes to the assignment records referenced in the segment is yes. The answer for the statement, you can use the data link to query the assignment changes from the last 30 days is no. The third one is you can use the data link with the $filter option to retrieve assignment changes from the last 30 days is no. And the answer for the statement is the data link token valid is yes. Our next question is drag drop. The organization uses plug-in to retrieve specific information from legacy data stores each time a new order is submitted. You review the Common Data Service Analytics page. The average plug-in execution time is increasing. You need to replace the plug-in with another component, reusing as much of the current plug-in code is possible. Which 5 actions should you perform in sequence? To answer, move the appropriate actions from the list of action to the answer area and arrange them in correct order. Please have a look at the actions. Now arrange it in the sequence. The answers is, the first step is create an Azure Function app. Second step is refactor the plugin logic in the app. The third step is publish the app. The fourth step is register a webhook for the app in the plugin registration tool. And the fifth step is register a step in the webhook. Our next question is drag drop. You need to select the appropriate methods using Azure Event Grid. Which method should you use for each requirement? To answer, drag the appropriate methods to the correct requirements. Each method may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between the panes or scroll to view content. Now, look for the sources requirement and try to answer the method. Now, the correct answer is the method for the requirement notify the infrastructure team when a new virtual machine is created is event handler, and the answer for the requirement route orders over $5,000 to the credit department is event subscription. Our next question is hotspot. You create a Power Platform solution to track purchasing requirements for bill of materials, BOMS and their subcomponents. The solution must meet the following requirements. Ensure that the BOMS are enabled to include the necessary subcomponents. report changes to the BOMS or their subcomponent that are made by engineer. You need to configure the solution. What solution you do to meet each requirement. To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Please have a look at the requirement and try to answer. Now, the correct answers are the requirement, the answer for the requirement. Ensure the BOMS can include necessary subcomponent is configure entity relationship. And the answer for the requirement report who changed the BOM records and when the changes were made is configure entity change tracking. Our next question is hotspot. A client is deploying Dynamic 365 Finance without any third party add-ons. You need to select the appropriate solution for the client. What should you select? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Please have a look at the scenario and the solution in the given box. Now, try to answer it. Now, look for the correct answer. Scenario: warehouse employee can use mobile devices to scan barcodes by using Dynamic 365 Finance. The solution is out of the box. And our second scenario is the location of field technicians can be communicated with text message from Dynamics 365 field service. The solution is workflow. Our next question is a company plans to create an order processing app. When orders are created, the app will perform complex business logic and integrate with several external systems. Orders that have a large number of lines item may take up to 6 minutes to complete. Process of each order must be completed in one operation to avoid leaving records in an incomplete state. You need to recommend the solution for the company. What should you recommend? The options are option A, an asynchronous workflow that uses the custom workflow activity. Option B, real time workflow that uses a custom action. Option C, a webhook that connects the an Azure function. Option D, a asynchronous plugin. The correct answer is option B. Thank you.